What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Gemini Man Steelbook 4K. I normally don't do 4K unboxings or unboxings in general, but Paramount did reach out and asked if we wanted to do an unboxing video for the movie, and I said yes. Therefore, it's in my hands. We did review the movie about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, so if you missed that review, definitely go check it out. I think we gave it a 9.8 for video because it was that good looking, and for audio I think it was just average. I think I gave it like a 7.2 or something like that, so definitely go check out that review. Actually, upon viewing it a second time, I actually thought it looked better, so I know I gave it a 9.8, but I could probably go 9.9, except for a few kind of wonky CGI. I actually think the movie is one of the cleanest and clearest and sharpest 4Ks that I've ever seen. But all right, let's do this. So you do get your J card here, which is glued on, like so. A couple of close-up shots here of the back. Just something to note that the special features are actually in high frame rate as well, so it's also in 4K 60 frames per second. And for those of you guys that don't know, this movie was actually shot in 4K 3D 120 frames per second, but the 4K Blu-rays only 4K 60 frames per second. So you're only getting something like 30% of the true theatrical experience. But still, 4K at 60 was pretty impressive. But yeah, so here are some of the tech specs on the disc there. Let's see if we can get that in focus. So you do get the 4K, you do get the Blu-ray, and you also get the digital code as well. It is also in Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, so hooray for that. And I did reach out to the guys at Paramount and asked them why is the UK version not in Dolby Vision, and they didn't know, so I couldn't get a definite answer for you guys. I know some of you guys hit me up on Twitter and asked me about that, but nobody seems to know. So if anybody does know, then leave a comment down below. But alright, so this is the front of the disc. Here's the artwork. You got their young Will Smith, and you got the old Will Smith. And it's just flat, nothing pops out, nothing like that. It's not embossed or anything like that. So, decent artwork. Close-up shot here. The spine, Gemini Man. Swinging around back, you got Will Smith and Will Smith again. About to shoot up some bad guys. All right, let's see what we got here. We got the digital code. So you do get a digital code. So there's the digital code. I think the last time I did an unboxing, I forgot to cover it up and somebody stole my digital code. So digital code. Then we've got the 4K Blu-ray, which is kind of angled. It's angled in the case when it sits in there. So no artwork on the disc itself. I do believe this is a 100 gig disc, if I'm not mistaken. So maximum quality. It is a 4K DI. So not only was it shot in 4K 3D, but you also get a 4K DI. So it's not a 2K upscale. So there is the regular Blu-ray. Voila. There you go. And there is some artwork on the inside of the case as well. Look at that. It's a nice panoramic shot there. But yeah, that's it, guys. This is just a quick unboxing of Gemini Man 4K Blu-ray. If you didn't catch the full review of the movie itself, of the audio and video quality, definitely go check it out. I will leave a link for it in the description down below. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on social media. And if you want to leave me a comment down below, let me know your favorite Will Smith movie, and if I choose your answer, I will mail you guys this Steelbook, minus the digital code, because I'm going to keep that. But just leave a comment down below. Let us know your favorite Will Smith movie, and you will be entered to win Gemini Man 4K Blu-ray Steelbook Edition. So again, thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed, then hit that subscribe button, and we will see you again in the next video.